Hello everyone. I am Dr. Pragya Sharma from ABES Engineering College. In this lecture series, we will discuss Unit 4 of subject Fundamentals of Mechanical Engineering. The Unit 4 of this subject is Introduction to Fluid Mechanics and Applications. In this lecture 0, we will be covering the topics which we are going to cover in further lectures. So the syllabus includes this. The syllabus can be divided in two parts. One is introduction to fluid mechanics, and the other part is of the application of fluids. The syllabus includes in first part are like fluid properties. We will be covering fluid properties like pressure, density, kinematic viscosity, dynamic and kinematic viscosity, the specific gravity. The other topic will be the type of fluids. One is Newtonian fluid and another one is non-Newtonian fluid. We will discuss the Newton's law of viscosity. On the basis of this, we can categorize Newtonian and non-Newtonian fluids. Then other topic is Pascal's law and then continuity equation. The other part includes, the application part includes working principle of hydraulic turbine. We will be discussing two types of turbine. One is Pelton wheel turbine and the other one is Francis turbine. We will be covering both the types of turbine, the working principle, construction, application part of these turbines. Then pumps, working principle of pumps. We will be studying further two types of pumps. One is centrifugal pump and the other one will be reciprocating pump. These two pumps will be covered in the further lectures. Then the classification of pumps also includes. And the last topic will be hydraulic lift. These are few topics which are covered in the lecture series. In this lecture series, these are the topics given here. This is included in the AKTU syllabus of this unit. And these are the reference books. There are three or four books are mentioned. And the link for AKTU syllabus is given here. You can download the syllabus of this subject from this link. So this is the introduction, like what are the topics we will be covering in this lecture series for this particular unit. Thank you.